Come on. Come on.
Oh, when did this happen? When did this happen to me?
Mom, can I have pancakes?
Yes, sweetheart, coming.
You are quiet.
I'm always quiet in the morning.
Different quiet.
I'm fine. Eat your breakfast.
Mom, these are the best pancakes.
Thank you, Sam.
Can we have them every day? That is not healthy, Sam. 1 pancake a day is healthy. It is not how it works. I think it is.
I want to go to the doctor.
Are you sick?
Not sick. A checkup. Oliver, my blue dress. I tried it on this morning. The zip didn't close.
Sara,
I'm not upset. I'm noticing. And I want to do something about it.
do you want me to come?
Please.
So, Sara, what brings you in?
I've been feeling slow, tired, and I've gained weight without really changing what I eat.
How long?
6 months, maybe more. I think I got used to it.
We will do blood tests today. Check your blood pressure. And your thyroid. A small gland in your neck that controls your energy. When it does not work well, it causes tiredness.
And weight gain. I didn't know that.
Most people don't. Very common in women in their 30s.
So it might not be only the food?
It might not only be the food. See?
Don't say I told you so.
I wasn't going to.
You were absolutely going to.
A little bit. Sara, how much water do you drink each day?
Some.
Some?
Mostly coffee. And tea.
Sleep?
6 hours. Sometimes less.
Exercise?
I walk. From the kitchen to the living room. And back.
Sara?
It counts.
Your body is asking for help, Sara. Very little sleep. Very little water. Very little movement. I want to give you simple changes. Not a strict diet. Just small things.
I can do small.
8 glasses of water. 30 minutes of walking. Sleep before midnight. And reduce the late-night fast food.
Define late-night fast food.
Sara?
Burger. The burger.
What?
Nothing. Fine. Small changes. I can do that.
After 9 p.m. Your body cannot process it while you sleep.
Do not wait for the results to start. And do not let the results stop you.
What does that mean?
It means do not wait for the results to start. And do not let the results stop you.
No food after 9.
Yes.
Is this because of the dress? You heard. You said, "When did this happen?" quite loudly, Mum. I thought I was quiet. You were not.
Partly the dress. Mostly because I'm tired and I don't want to feel like this anymore.
I'll walk with you. In the mornings.
Really?
I don't want to, but I will. No food after 9? Yes. I have a biscuit at 9:30. Every night.
This plan is for me, Sam.
Oh. Carry on then.
20 minutes. 10 more. You can go back to bed after.
Promise? Promise. Okay, 10 more. Mom? How far do we walk each morning?
About 2 kilometers. The doctor said 30 minutes. This takes about 35.
It is quite nice. In the morning.
Is it?
Before the day starts. Before school. It is peaceful.
Yes, I suppose it is.
I didn't notice that before.
Neither did I. I was always inside at this time, rushing.
Maybe the walks are not just about the wait.
What do you mean?
You look calm, right now, walking. More calm than at breakfast usually.
Do I?
You're not thinking about dinner or the shopping list or Sam's homework.
I am thinking about all of those things.
Okay, but less than usual.
Maybe a little less.
How much is that?
Bottle 4.
Sara, how big is that bottle?
Big.
Mom, are you okay?
I'm fine. I'm hydrating.
What is hydrating? What is hydrating? Drinking lots of water.
Why?
Because it is good for your body.
That is a lot of good.
One day you will understand.
I understand now. You are drinking a swimming pool.
Not quite a swimming pool.
Almost a swimming pool.
Don't help.
I am helping. No, 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 absolutely not. Just a few. No.
Mom,
I wasn't.
I know, you were looking at the fries.
They are cold and sad and somehow still appealing.
Drink this.
That is not the same as fries.
I know.
But drink it.
Yes.
Why are you awake?
I heard you come downstairs. I'm sorry.
Don't be sorry. Just close the fridge.
It's already closed.
Good. Keep it that way. Go back to bed, Lily.
You too.
Cold, sad fries. Tomorrow is a new day. I really want the fries.
Then have them.
I can't have them. The plan.
Sara, I have your results.
Okay.
Your thyroid is slightly low, not very serious, but it explains the tiredness and the weight.
So there is something actually wrong.
I will prescribe a small tablet, once a day. It will help.
But the walking and water and sleeping, that is still important?
More important than the tablet, actually.
The tablet helps. The lifestyle is what changes things.
Okay.
Sara, how are you feeling about the news?
Like I should have come in sooner.
You came when you were ready. That is the right time.
What are you thinking?
I'm thinking about all the mornings I felt slow, and I just thought it was me, that I was just a slow person now.
You're not a slow person.
I know that now.
Does knowing make you feel better?
A little. And also a little angry.
That I walked around for 6 months feeling like this when there was an answer.
But you have the answer now.
Yes, I have it now.
And you can do something about it.
I am already doing something about it.
You are.
Oliver, do you think I look different? From 3 weeks ago?
Tires. You look less tired.
Really?
You always look beautiful. But lately, yes, less tired.
I feel less tired. Just a little. But a little is something.
A little is a lot.
Don't be sentimental. Too late.
Are you gonna stop the plan?
The news means I need the plan more, not less.
That's my Sara.
You just said that.
It is worth saying twice.
Sara, tell me everything about the plan. Good. I walked 5 days. Drank a lot of water. Blood tests showed my thyroid is a bit low. I'm on a small tablet now. Oh, Sara, I'm glad you went. Me too.
And the food?
Mostly good.
Sara,
There was a small incident.
what kind of incident?
I may have eaten Sam's leftover fries at 11 p.m.
How many fries?
Most of them. Sara, they were cold and sad and I still ate them. I know.
Cold, sad fries at 11 p.m.
They were there, Nadia. And I had a stressful day with the blood test results and they were just sitting there.
Do you know what I did when I tried to cut sugar last year?
You lasted 4 days.
The next morning I started again. That is all you do, Sara. You just start again.
1 week of cold fries and blood test results, and I am still going.
That is not failure. That is a person who is trying.
I lasted 4 days, and then I ate an entire chocolate bar at midnight.
You told me it was 3 squares.
It was not 3 squares. I knew it. Mom, I want to help with your plan. Thank you, Sam. How? I made a chart.
Sam, this is very detailed.
It has gold stars.
Did you do this yourself?
Lily helped with the writing. The stars are mine.
Sam, this is lovely. 1 star each day for walking, 1 for water, 1 for sleeping before midnight. I give you the star at dinner, in front of everyone.
So you feel proud.
In front of everyone? That might make me feel embarrassed.
It will make you feel proud. I have decided. And if you get 10 stars in a row,
A prize?
I will make you breakfast.
You'll cook?
With supervision from Dad.
I heard that.
Sara, you've been quiet in there.
Come in.
Sara,
It fits.
it fits. Oliver,
It fits.
you look beautiful.
It's just a dress.
It was never just a dress.
Did it fit? Did the dress?
Wow.
Mum, you look like a princess.
I look like a mum.
A princess, Mum. Mom, you did it.
3 weeks. Not perfectly,